Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free 100k dollar pro firm account for you to start trading your Forex account for free in 2025. Alright, and there are a lot of steps that you are going to be going through in this video. So I will urge you to pay attention fully to what I'll be showing you today so that you won't miss out on this account. The first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also, most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a no deposit bonus video or a profile account video, you'll be the first person to get notified. And I want you to stay tuned because another profile account or no deposit bonus video will be dropped for you tomorrow so that you can start trading every day for free. So now, as you can see right here on my screen, this is our Telegram channel. And if you know that you're interested in making money every day, even if the money is small, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. A link will be there, it will be pinned there. Just click on it and it will take you to my Telegram channel and you can join if you know that you're interested. Now, to proceed into claiming this bonus, the link to claim this bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So if you know that you want to claim this bonus, go there and click on it. You'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel, and in there you are going to have access to the link to claim this bonus. Okay, so I want you to also know that this profile account is very withdrawable. You'll be getting 20% of the trading you take weekly. So now, proceeding to the next step. As you can see right here on the screen, once you click on the link, it will bring you to this home page showing up right here on my screen. And as you can see, this is join a free internship and access your trading capital. So you will have to join your trading internship so that you can get a free capital for you to start trading. And this platform, you can also get it on your Google Play Store. But right here, I'm going to explain to you about some 3 steps in this video that are very important in getting funded. So make sure you stick to the end of this video because I will be explaining it now. So these steps are more like the terms and conditions you have to obey. So step number 1 is for you to pass this free internship, and once you are done passing it, you will get step number 2, which is for you to get a funded account for you to start trading. And it is that from that funded account, that is where you are going to be withdrawing your money. And step number 3, end as a trade successfully and keep the profit end. All right, as you can see, these are the 3 steps and these are the terms and conditions. So let's go to the internship terms and conditions. All right, so as you can see, the capital we are going to be funded with is a 100k dollar. All right, so the duration time is 4 weeks and the attempt is unlimited. And the leverage that you can use is leverage 1:1. All right, and the profit target that you are going to trade to is $1,000. So once you reach the profit target, you can be able to withdraw, and weekly profit target should be $250. So weekly you must be able to reach $250, and once you're done with that, you can be able to withdraw your profit and you'll be getting the 20% weekly. All right, so in order for you to continue to claim this funded account of $100, what you have to do is for you to get started. As you can see right here on our screen, you have to download the app from a Google Play Store and sign up, verify your account, start your internship straight from the app. All right, so now the next thing for us to do is for us to go to our Play Store and download the app as we are being told. So now that we are done when you are done downloading, you will verify your account and you will start your internship so that you can start trading and so that you can take your profit and use it to do whatsoever it is that you want to do with it. So this is the platform that you are going to be using, which is Forex Pro. So make sure you download it. As you can see, I am downloading mine right now. So we are going to install it and we are going to start to claim our bonus, our funded account. So when you are done downloading it, just open the account, just open the app and you will be brought to this interface. So click on register, So the next thing for you to do is to click on register. So once you click on register, you enter your email and you click on continue. So once you're done with that, the next thing for you to do is for you to set your password. So enter your password. So when you enter your password, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to verify your email. So go to your email, copy the code, verify the code, and copy the code and go back to the platform and paste the code in there. All right, so let's paste the code in there right now. So click on submit, click on submit. So once you get to this interface through my link, this invitation code will be filled up automatically. So set your pin, and as you can see right now, our account has been verified, our account has been created. So complete verification, click on complete verification. You can use your biometry, you can use it. So choose the country, choose all countries except USA, click on continue, and choose the documents that you want to use to verify, because we are about to verify our KYC. So enter your provided email, enter it and click on continue, and a code has been sent to your email. So verify the code, copy the code and paste it in the platform, and it's going to bring you to this place. As you can see, I have already input my identity details, so as you can see, our data has been processed. So just wait for maybe like 10 to 20 minutes so that you can be verified, and once it's done, I will show you the next thing for you to do. So to know more details about these funded accounts that you're able to claim, just click on full details and it will bring you to this place, and you can, as you can see right here on the screen, these are the details that you can know about them. These are more information, their rules, their terms and conditions, so that you can be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you can withdraw your profit. So right now, I just received a message from them through my email, and they said our verification has been completed. All right, so the next thing for us to do is to go back to the platform and get our account funded. So once you get to this interface, click on start internship. So click on it. Don't forget, this is what they told us to do. So click on start internship. As you can see on the screen, our equity is now $100. All right, so we have been credited with our funded account. We have been funded. All right, we have been funded with $100,000 so that we can start trading for free. And these are the terms and conditions. Like I said, these are the currency pair that you can actually trade. In order for you to trade, just go to the market. You can either buy or sell after looking at the chart, so you can start trading over here. You can start placing your trade over here. All right, as you can see up there, that's our balance over there. We have been credited with a free $100,000 funded account. So in order for you to place your trade, just come here, enter the amount that you want to use and enter the price, and once you're done, click on place order. All right, so we are all done. So if you have been able to get your free $100,000 profit account, make sure you drop a comment below in the comment section. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friend, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel so that I can guide you on how you are going to withdraw, and the terms and the full details about the terms and condition. And also you'll be getting a direct access to me in case you are having any hardship or issue. All right, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your trade.